KidsTV. Hey!
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a simple home remedy that is good for fast cough and sore throat relief. Very simple, 100% natural. It helped a lot with Azae's cough, cleared it up in a couple days, and he was good to go. So you can use this recipe as a smoothie recipe, or you can use it to make the cough drops, which I did make. Actually, I made both. So I did half cough drops, and then I did the rest that was left over as a smoothie. So you will need a kiwi, a banana, a lemon, chunks of pineapple, ginger, and some turmeric. So now I'm just scooping it out onto a baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper. This will prevent it from sticking and then make it easy to take out once it's frozen. Yummy, huh?
KidsTV. Hey!